Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be making some Teumsae Ramyun Noodles. So let's get started. Heat up a pan and add some vegetable oil. Today we are preparing about 3 packets of ramen noodles, so we are adding some good amount of oil. But if you're just making 1 packet of ramen, then you can just add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, get some chopped chicken thighs and fry it till it's golden brown. You can also use chicken breast instead, based on your preference. Once the chicken turns golden brown in color, add some minced ginger and garlic and fry them for a minute. Add some chopped onions and fry them till it's golden brown in color. Once the onion fries up, add some chopped bell pepper, carrots, and some green peas, and cook them for about 2 minutes. Then add some bok choy and some chopped tomatoes to it and stir it. Add some salt to it for taste. Now keep your pan aside and boil some water to cook our noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes. ready, remove the water and just add those noodles with the chicken and veggies in the frying pan. Finally, add the spices that came with the noodles and stir fry it. Add a little bit of water immediately after spices and cook for about 2 minutes. So our ramen noodles is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit that like button and please subscribe to our channel for further more videos in future. Thank you.